Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel here, English with Nazmeen. So today I have so interesting topic for you. Just tell me one thing in comment please that when you feel stressed and when you're getting irritated and when you are so nervous, when you are in panic situation. So can you speak in English? Yes, you can. If you have some words and if you know about the words, so you can obviously speak in English in these situations. Stress, panic, irritate, and so nervous situations because these situations are so hectic and we and everybody feels every day. Okay, not the whole day, just feel for 1 minute, for 2 minutes, and for half an hour maybe, and it's depend on the situations. Okay, so let's start without delay. First, you have to just follow this channel for learning English and speak fast and clear with me, because I just gave you some tips here and give you some knowledgeable things, and also I explain the words in my videos, whatever the so difficult word that you can't imagine that what's the meaning of this word. So I just provide here the word and the meaning of this word. So let's start. Whenever you feel stressed, instead of panicking, so let's learn after me. Okay, so let's learn to express it in English calmly. So repeat after me. I feel a bit stressed right now, but I know I can handle this situation. This is not so a scary situation for me. If I stay calm and think clearly, stress means feeling pressure. Now continue. Let me take a deep breath, because reacting emotionally will only make things worse. Worse. Emotionally means based on feelings. Now say, I'll focus on solution instead of problems, because that's more helpful. Solution means ways to fix something. Now continue. This situation is temporary and I won't let it affect my mindset. Temporary means not not permanent. Now say confidently, I am strong enough to deal with this and I'll get through it. And repeat this again, because calm language creates a calm mind. So when we wanna get some solution of the problems, so first we need to calm ourselves. How you can calm yourself? You just take 4 to 5 times breathe, deep breath with the nostrils. Just inhale the breath. Okay, you just nostrils and exhale the breath with your mouth. Okay, this practice seriously help you to stay calm, and when you will feel calm, so your mind can work and your mind find out the solution of the problems, because we should not away from the solution, so from the problems. We should fix the problems. That's how we can we can live happily. Okay, we have to face the every problem and we have to find out the solution. So save this for tough time and comment stay calm. So we will see in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.